Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can find out if your Samsung Galaxy S23 is real or fake. This works also of course for the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. And the first method is to find out the IMEI numbers. Let me show you what I mean. Just go to the dialer and dial now *#06#. And then you will see these codes here. And the phone is having two IMEI numbers because you can insert two SIM cards, and these two IMEI numbers you can compare it with the IMEI numbers which one are written on the box. A first sign if your phone is real or not. Yeah, there's a second way to find out if your phone is original or not. And for that we will need to dial again. Dial now *#0*#. And now you have this test mode center here, and you will find the last point, version. And you can check out the model number. And one more time, you take your box and compare the model number, which one is written here on the box again. And if it's exactly the same, you can be pretty sure that your phone is real. Yeah, by the way, to get out of this test center, just tap here one time on the back button so that you're back in the general test center, and now double tap the back button to be back in the regular mode. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And I really hope that your phone is real so that you have a nice day or a nice night, whatever. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.